Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen errors on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. Now if you're trying to play the Zenless Zone Zero game, but when you open it up, you simply see a black screen and the game just crashes or doesn't launch properly, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your game is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and just type in Zenless Zone Zero and start your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the update is completed, and when you see the play button once again, you can tap on it to see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Zenless Zone Zero game and tap on the info button at the top. You will then be taken into the application info page. Tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, which will clear all of your user data for the game. After this step, open up the game once again and you will need to re-log in to your account. Just log in using your credentials, and now you will notice that the black screen issue has been fixed and you can now enjoy your game smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix black screen issues on the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.